Hurricane Wilma actually got down to about a 2 nautical mile wide eye at peak intensity as the central pressure dropped below 900 millibars, a dreaded pinhole eye with Hurricane Wilma becoming one of the most powerful hurricanes in the Atlantic basin. And the maximum winds ever recorded are with Hurricane Allen, and that was up to 190 mile per hour sustained. Some of the intensity forecasts show that Hurricane Lee could even make a run at that, but with a little bit of wind shear, likely due to El Nino conditions in the tropical Pacific, Eastern Pacific, that might even delay or hamper that intensification just a little bit.